Good day, ma'am and sir. Hi, I am Maylani Julian, 38 years old. My height is 152 centimeter and my weight is 56 kilogram. I am a high school graduate. I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters, and I'm the third of the family. I have a live-in partner with 2 children, a 16 years old boy and 14 years old girl. I have experience working abroad in Kuwait for 2 years. I serve 6 family members of the family. My mom and sir and their children ages 14, 20, 24, and 26. My main duties there is to cooking, cleaning, ironing, laundering, and car washing. And in Hong Kong, I worked for 3 years and 11 months. I served 3 family members of the family, my mom and sir and their newborn baby. My main duties there is to take care of the baby and do also the household chores like cooking, cleaning, ironing, laundering, and car washing. For my future employer, I can assure you that I am a loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking person. Thank you.